I've been waiting for you for too long. I've been waiting for you for too long. I've been waiting for you for too long. Within your smile, it carries on with the flowers in your hair. Take it through your smile with the clouds in sunlight. Vapors, mist of fog. Vapors, mist of fog. Vapors, mist of fog into your smile within the smile. Take whispers in your misty smile within. Vapors, mist and fog in the sunlight. In the sunlight, rainbows vaporfully in the clouds within your rainbows. Rainbows within the vapor mist fog. Vapor mist fog. Vapor mist fog. To wander within your misty smile. I wonder where you are today. Within that time stops. Time stops and vaporizes your conversation in the misty fog of sunlight. 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 In the surreal clock behind me. Yes, it is. Can you see the surreal clock behind me? I've painted it outside. It is so astoundingly gorgeous up close. In the vapors of your smile, listen to the wind blows within your hair, and the hair tapers down your back for the surreal clock in the background. Take your stuffy parties and shove them up your rear. Take your stuffy parties and shove them up your rear. Yes, I know, and we all wait to see what the day is like. Isn't it funny how the day is astoundingly vaporized mist within berserker of your smile in the switchblade symphony of the times. And the times grow to colder, and still colder without you. How can I live without you? Ooh. and take the rainbows in the smile of the mist and the vaporized surreal clock of your imagination, and see the surreal clock, just how it appears. Art form is astoundingly beautiful with your smile, and take it further in. That was fun. Thanks for listening.